about to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video, or if you are new to the channel, my name is Lynsee. This is my world, and it is episode 14 of the Cut series. So if you are just joining in and you haven't seen any of the other episodes, I am documenting a fat loss journey, if you will, just to show how I am losing weight and cutting down for bikini season, because we all want to look good in a bikini. Since the last episode, I don't know if you guys saw it, but I had my first cheat meal in like 3.5 months, which was epic and amazing and so many good things. I felt great from it. I think cheat meals, not only they can be beneficial to a certain point, like mine was definitely needed, and the purpose for doing that actually did work, because I hit a plateau and I was just kind of like stagnant for a while, for at least 2 weeks. I wasn't really dropping any weight. So since the cheat meal, I'm dropping now. I've lost 2 pounds and I'm excited because it worked and I feel a lot better. Like, it boosted my energy levels. I'm sorry if I sound a little sick. My son, he was sick last week, so alright, so this morning we had breakfast, I made pancakes, and I made this really yummy bowl. I don't know why, but I really wanted cantaloupe, so I was like, I'm gonna make this cool little bowl out of it and make it look pretty. That was my breakfast this morning. I'm probably gonna be like saving more of my carbs for meals later. And we are going to the beach today. We're gonna do a beach day. We kind of decided last weekend, my son and I, we were like, let's do beach days every Sunday. So that's gonna be like our thing now. Right now I gotta be out the door though, so let's do this. Alright, so we're back from our workout, changed into our swimsuits, and I'm just getting our snacks ready for the beach right now. So earlier I made some chocolate hummus. I made this like salsa creamy dip for veggies.
Something about the way you move makes me wanna feel your groove. Something about the way you dress, baby, got me feeling like a mess, baby. We should still have fun, though we say we don't, 'cause I just wanna get down with you. For the last time, I can call you mine. Once more than I swear we're through. You can tell me when we're naked. We don't have time, so let's not waste it.
actually just roasted broad beans, but they're really yummy. So I have the mesquite barbecue, and then I also have the cocoa ones, which are like a chocolatey one. And this is one of my favorites from Trader Joe's. The salmon jerky is bomb. It's really good, high in protein, low in fats and carbs, and I just love it for like on the go snacking. And then these, we're gonna take some Pirate's Booty for tasting. What else do we need? I'm trying to like shove everything into my beach bag. Also taking some cold water and my Lynsee eggs. That's it. I think we are ready for the beach. Just got to the beach, guys. We've been like fighting the rain today.
That really was storming.
What? What was that? Alright, so today we have been fighting this rain. We had to leave the beach.
Yes, because this is the worst day for a beach day.
Yes, we are slowly learning today was a terrible idea. Look at this. This is what we're looking at. So right now we are just chilling. We're like waiting in the car so we can run into this frozen yogurt spot. Okay, so I got cookies and cream, dark chocolate, this little cookie cereal, a little granola, and strawberries.
Can I see? Let me see it.
Look at Tajin's. We got the waffle bubble. How is it?
So good. Want to try some?
Yes.
A few moments later.
We are back home, and I'm actually going to close out the video right here. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new here. If you're already a subscriber, make sure you hit the notification button. Make sure they're turned on, because if you don't, you might not see my videos the way YouTube is set up. Anyway, leave a comment below if you have any ideas for some videos that you might want me to do. And visit bodybylynsee.com. My app is dropping very soon, so make sure you're signed up as an insider. That way you will be alerted right when it drops and you'll have early access. Alright, I will see you guys in the next video.